What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to install Google Fonts into your WordPress website into a simple, fast, effective and native method, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. First thing, go to our WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin and enter with your login credentials. You're going to be able to see a page almost like this one, okay? Focus into the left sidebar of menus. Go to appearance. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the WordPress native theme, the 2025, okay? But in most of the themes, it works in the same way. But for this tutorial, I'm using the native WordPress theme, the default WordPress theme, okay? So, hover a mouse over appearance and hit the submenu Fonts. By default, the theme already installs some fonts on your site. We have these two fonts, okay? So, here is our library of fonts. You can upload your custom font right here, okay? Here is the format of the fonts in the case you want to upload, and you can install fonts from Google, okay? To install Google Fonts from Google, you must give permission to connect directly Google servers. The fonts you install will be downloaded from Google and stored on your site. Your site will then use the locally hosted fonts. You can alternatively upload fonts directly on the Upload tab. For this tutorial, I'm going to explain for you how to connect, okay? So, allow access to Google Fonts. Let's search for some font. For example, outfit, maybe. Here's the outfit. You can choose the formats that you want. You can select all in the case that you want. I'm just going to be using this one right here. Click on install into the bottom right corner button, this blue button. Font were installed successfully. So right here in my library, I have a custom font, outfit. Here is my font, and I can start using it in the case that I want. In the case that you not any longer need the font, all you have to do is just scroll down and delete the font, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!